Introducing the new made in the USA premium line of Proto screwdrivers. The new Proto Duratech screwdriver handle is made of a premium nylon alloy material that is incredibly chemical and impact resistant for maximum durability and performance. The ergonomically designed four-sided handle features a 360-degree texture providing additional grip, resulting in maximum torque and speed while reducing hand fatigue. The handle is produced from raw material using a state-of-the-art 3-shot injection process, therefore controlling all aspects of production to ensure high-quality handles at all times. The first shot produces the core of the screwdriver handle with branding and tip ID. The second shot that is chemical bonded surrounds the first shot from the neck to the nose of the handle for additional strength. The third and final shot that is also chemically bonded forms the 360-degree texture that provides additional grip. The bars are made of a high-quality alloy steel that are zone heat treated. The screwdriver tip is treated at a higher Rockwell hardness to provide maximum durability and performance, while the bar is treated at a lower hardness for durability and safety. There are 6 different handle sizes that are featured across the entire offering. Sets are available in flat, Phillips, Torx, and square tips. Standard and metric nut driver sets are also available. The new Proto Duratech Performance Grip Screwdrivers, designed to tackle the toughest jobs that today's industrial technician can encounter. Put one in your hands. You'll feel the difference. Visit protoindustrial.com to learn more about the Duratech line. Another reason why Proto is beyond strong.